Let's be real. There are so many good things in the world. We don't have enough space for all of them all at once. It's
Yeah.
okay to have this toolbox that we can pull from when we need things. That it's the meditation, it's the journaling, it's tapping, it's therapy, it's Reiki, it's whatever your helps are. Again, we can't do them all. We don't have enough time to do everything every day and still live the busy, wonderful lives that we
Yeah.
lead. So just knowing when to use when, what to use when, just makes such a difference.
Yes, a tool in a toolbox. Exactly. So we don't go around hammering just because we know how to hammer all the things.
No,
Sometimes you're
that's
using a screwdriver, sometimes you're using a ruler, sometimes it's just some scotch tape.
That's exactly it. I love to say, we all have a hammer, and a hammer is good for a lot of things, but my hammer isn't going to fix my bathroom sink. I
Yes.
need a wrench, I need a screwdriver, I don't know, whatever else I need because I don't fix my bathroom sink. But, but I remember when we fixed it, a hammer was not involved. So again, just having a range of good things we can grab when we need them and knowing what to gravitate towards. And I think it's instinctual. I think for sure we have the answers inside us. And when we pause and listen for what we need, we can find those answers. And for me that night, starting with my journal was the answer.
That's awesome.